Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am beyond excited for today's video because I'm actually partnering with Mejuri to show you guys some pieces that I think would be incredible gifts for your mom or for you this upcoming Mother's Day. Mother's Day is May 12th if you guys didn't know, and as a completely brand new mom, I am just really excited to work with them on this specific video. I've got some pieces that I think would just be really special and sentimental for, like I said, either yourself, whether you want to get you something to represent your child, or if you want to give something to your mom. As a new mom, it's a lot being a mom, and I think that mom should be celebrated. Now, having stepped into that role more than ever, I am like, yes, we should not only take them out to lunch if we can, we should also get them something really special and meaningful and nice for Mother's Day. And so I am really excited to do my kind of usual unboxing for you guys where I show you all the pieces on and everything, but this specific video is definitely going to be geared towards more sentimental and special pieces. There are some pieces in here that I kind of threw in that I thought you guys would just like as well, because not everything has to be super mom themed, but if you are looking for something that is just really special for Mother's Day coming up, I think that you will really enjoy these pieces. If you want to get 10% off of Mejuri, you can always use my links down below in the description box. Orders for Mother's Day, you need to place by May 8th, so get those orders in on any of their in-stock items. You can also check their website for any of their stores, see if they have a store in your city, and you can of course shop for Mother's Day up until Mother's Day itself, which is May 12th, like I said. Also, if you guys are looking for some more ideas, not only what I show you guys, but you want some more ideas for Mother's Day, they have a Mother's Day gift guide on their website that I will link in the description box as well if you want to check that out. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I am so excited for these pieces. I actually opened up the box because I was really excited, and one of the pieces I am already wearing because I could not wait to put this one on. So this is the engravable bar curved chain bracelet, and this is so sweet. It has my daughter's name engraved on it. They have a necklace that's similar to this. They also have another bar engravable bracelet that has a thinner chain on it, but I just love a piece like this. I think it's so sentimental and special, and this is actually 14 karat gold, so you never have to take it off. You can shower in it, you can work out in it. It's very out of the way, but I just love how sentimental it is, and it pairs really well with any other jewelry. Really quick, I've got on the lab bezel bracelet as well, and I really like the way that the two look together. Let's get into the other pieces now. Went ahead and I left them packaged up so we could do a little bit of an unboxing in case you guys are new to the brand. This is how the box arrives with the Mejuri logo, the classic Mejuri gold tape. Inside of the box we have our dust bags. This is what the dust bag looks like. Every order comes with one of these, and inside of the bag here we've got the jewelry boxes. This is what the box looks like, and I won't show you guys the unboxing for every piece, but I'd like to include at least one. Has the Mejuri logo on it here, Mejuri across the front. I love these boxes for traveling, sticking the dust bags in them, and because they're like magnetic, they stay closed, which is really great. And then inside of here we've got some charms, it looks like. Really quick, every single order will come with one of these. This is a jewelry polishing cloth. I always suggest holding on to these for polishing up your jewelry, just gives it a refresh. We have two new charms slash pendants in here. The first one, I really just want to touch on this one first because I am so excited about this one. This is the lab grown diamond oversized letter charm, and if you guys have been around on my channel for a while now, you know how obsessed I am with the diamond letter pendant. It's a smaller charm for their bracelets and their necklaces. This is that but bigger, and I am such a fan of this new release. This is what the charm looks like, and it is so stunning. I went ahead and I got a W for my last name, but of course you could get the letter of your child's name, get the initial of their name, and I think that would be really sweet as well. But I love their letter charms so much. This one is so bold and beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on one of my charm necklaces. So this is my current necklace stack, and I've got kind of a lot going on, but I am a jewelry maximalist, so I love layering up jewelry. So this is the triple link paperclip chain charm necklace. This is the one that I probably wear the most. It's like my most worn stack right now. I've got on the pearl letter pendant, a bail tag, and then a pearl charm. And then this is the large diamond necklace, which is just very, very simple, but it's so stunning really by itself as well. It's just very elegant. And then this is the mixed link paperclip chain charm necklace, and this is the 16-inch, and I believe this is the 18-inch. So I really like to layer up these necklaces. The chain charm necklaces are some of my favorites because you can customize them so much, but if you don't want them to have any charms or anything like that, you can just flip them around and wear them as just like a chain necklace. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the charms on this one and put on the new letter charm. I really love these necklaces too because they're super easy to get on and off, but they just have a ring here on the front with a hinge, and that's how you can take the charms off. So I'm gonna keep this relatively simple and just wear this single charm because it is a little bit bigger here. Okay, so this is what the charm looks like, and I am so in love with it. It is so beautiful. It's obviously a much bolder option. The pearl letter charm would be actually another really pretty option. The diamond one is much, much bigger, as you guys can see. The actual diamond letter pendant is smaller than the pearl letter pendant as well, so you can kind of get a gauge for the size difference. But if you're looking for something that's like bold and just really, really fun, this is so, so pretty. I love it. What's great about these charms as well is that they can slip over some of their thinner chains as well. So you don't necessarily have to put them on one of their chain charm necklaces or bracelets. You can put them on some of their other thinner chains if you like a more dainty look. I just think that is so beautiful and so bold. I love it. The other charm that I have in here is actually a birthstone charm. This is in 14 karat gold and aquamarine. You can put this on, again, one of these chain charm necklaces, or you could throw it on a bracelet. This is the paperclip chain charm bracelet, and I actually have two charms on here. This is the diamond letter charm, so as you can see, it's a much smaller charm, and then this is the cursive letter charm, and I have a J for Jason. This C is actually for my name, but it could be for Cecilia. And then this is the March birthstone for my daughter's birth month. And again, it just clips on like it does with the necklaces. And that's just a really sweet way to customize a bracelet. If you have multiple kids, I feel like this would actually be such a good idea, just having multiple birthstones or multiple smaller initials on a bracelet like this. This is what the birthstone looks like on with the different charms, and I love that you can just stack a bunch of different charms on these bracelets. Next, in the dust bag, we have another jewelry box, and in here we've got, I think it might be 2 pairs of earrings. These are new to Mejuri. These are the Block Pave diamond duo hoops. They're 14 karat gold diamond, and they're really, really good kind of everyday shape. They're small enough where I feel like you could wear them on your second piercing, but they are also bold enough with like the diamonds that if you just have one piercing, they'd be really pretty by themselves. I'm gonna pop them in my main piercing. Right now I have on the puffy Charlotte hoops, the bezel huggy hoops, and then these are just a pair of diamond studs. I really love the different variations of hoops that Mejuri has. They have like your classic hoops, but then they also have really fun, funky pairs like this. Like I said, these would be really cute as a second piercing because they do hug really close to the ear, but they also look really good as a main piercing. I love how out of the way they are as well, but they're still very, very unique. In this next dust bag, we have some more earrings. These are the bezel emerald huggies, and I have the bezel diamond huggies in right now. I love these earrings. I actually sleep with these in because they don't have the prong on the back. They're actually really, really comfortable to wear all the time, and I feel like these would actually be too. But these are the exact same earring but in emerald, and they're so, so pretty. I feel like if you are looking for an earring that adds a little pop of interest to your stack, adding some kind of gemstone like this or a birthstone would be really pretty. These are the earrings and they're just a really subtle pop of color. I really love this bezel design though. They are so sleek. We have got two pieces. One of them is a necklace and the other one is the matching ring for the emerald bezel earrings. This is the bezel emerald half eternity band and it's a really dainty ring, but it has the bezel gemstones in it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna slide it on next to my other ring here. How gorgeous is that? Again, it's just a really nice pop of color. Looks so good with the matching earrings. This is the lace diamond ring, which again is one of the half bands. So it's gold on the bottom and then it has the diamonds on top next to the bezel emerald ring. This is the duo ring, which I wear literally all the time. And then this is the beam Pave diamond open ring. So that's my ring stack. Obviously you could wear the emerald ring by itself, but also would look really good stacked as well. I really like the way that it looks next to the classic dome ring. I feel like the emerald just adds a lot of interest to any stack. The other piece is the mini heart Pave diamond necklace, and this one is so beautiful and dainty. If you like something that is very out of the way but is still a stunning sparkly piece, this is so gorgeous. They also have matching earrings, which I think would be so cute as studs. This one has an adjustable chain that can go from 16 to 18 inches, so it's very versatile. You can wear it on the shorter length and have a longer chain underneath it, or wear it longer and do like a shorter length above it. But how cute is that? I love how dainty and just subtle and pretty it is. It looks really good with something more bold and kind of dramatic like this letter pendant. Onto our final dust bag, and in here we've got two jewelry boxes. This is the mama letter necklace, and this is 14 karat gold, so you do not have to take it off. It is so delicate and dainty. It has these gold letter charms on them that don't move, and I believe this is a shorter necklace. You can wear it higher up on your stack. So this one is a 14 to 16 inch adjustable chain. So you can wear it, like I said, pretty high, almost like a choker, and it can sit above your other necklaces, or you can drop it to the full 16 inches. But how pretty is that? I really love how dainty it is, and just the fact that it wears so short. You can layer on some more kind of like chunky pieces over it, or if you really like something that's very out of the way and dainty, it's just really pretty by itself. I've got it on the middle setting right now, so it actually could go 1 inch like shorter or 1 inch longer. I've got it on the middle clasp, but it's so pretty, and I just love the fact that 14 karat gold, you don't have to take it off. You can shower in it, you can work out in it. Very out of the way, but just a really sweet piece to have, especially if you are a first-time mom. I feel like that is such a sweet gift. Last dust bag here. We've got one more jewelry box, and inside of here, we've got a pair of earrings, it looks like. These are the pearl drop earrings, and they are really elegant and classic. I feel like any mom would love a pair of just gorgeous pearl earrings. These ones are vermeil, so they are a lower price point, but they're still so stunning. Like, how pretty is that with the emerald bezel earrings and the diamond stud? I just love mixing and matching different gemstones and pearls, so really love those. They're so elegant. Those are all of the pieces from this try on. Obviously anything from the Mejuri site would be such a good Mother's Day gift. Like I said, May 12th is coming up, so be sure to get your orders in by May 8th if you order online. But if you happen to have a Mejuri store in your city, be sure to head into the store. You can shop up until Mother's Day. If you like this video though, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was from this video. And if there's anything that you're interested in that I talked about, I'll have it all listed out in the description box. You can use any of the links down there to shop. But if you happen to be new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I do a ton of Mejuri jewelry try-on hauls. Like I said, they're one of my favorite brands of all time. So if there are any pieces that you're interested in, there's probably a review that I've done of that piece. But I will see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.